Assalamualaikum, hi guys. Hari ini aku akan tunjuk cara untuk buat our own tassel. Aku sangat suka dengan tassel, tak tahu kenapa. Yeah, by the way, sometimes I would like to speak in whatever language that I prefer to. So just bersabar, okay? First of all, you will need a jute rope or some kind of, or if you have a yarn or thread, just use whatever you have. You will also need a piece of cardboard. Cut it into a square shape. Follow your designated need. If you would like to have a bigger tassel, you cut a bigger cardboard. If you wanna just a cute little one, no need to cut it so big. You're starting by wrapping the rope around the cardboard. For my project, I want it to be a bit bigger because I want to put it at a kitchen vase, my DIY kitchen vase. So I wrap as thick as I want. After you've finished wrapping around the cardboard, cut one piece of the rope, few inches length, slide it at the back of the ropes and put it up until on top of the rope. Bring it till top and tie it tightly. Get ready with the scissors. Use the scissors to cut the bottom part of the ropes. When you finish cutting, release the ropes from the cardboard. You will need to tie more ropes on top of the ropes. I tied 2 more rows because I wanted to make it like a chubby one. For the finishing touch, cut evenly at the bottom of the tassel. Now that you already trim it nicely, you can hang it. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you later.